Hello everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me for today's tutorial. So today I'm going to be putting together the summer tent gift box. Now this is a gorgeous die set as well, and I've teamed it with my lovely new British summer papers, and everything that I'm using today will be linked down below. So this is the die set here, but I'm going to show you what it makes first. So it makes this lovely triangular tent. So I've popped this onto a board here. I'm still building up my samples, but I wanted to get this tutorial filmed whilst I was doing so. So we have all of these other accents: the fire, the rucksack, the map, the sleeping bag roll and the log, and the lantern. Absolutely perfect for finishing off your scene, and I will make sure that there'll be photos here so you can see what it looks like once it's finished. So I've added on some guy ropes here, just with a bit of twine and some hot glue, and now this pops out and then you can pop your goodies in there. So this is absolutely perfect for ladies, gents, children. This is for everyone, depending on how you decorate it, personalize it, anything like that. So this is my other tent here. So again, we've gone down the pretty route, but you can kind of go down the Boy Scout route if you really want to. There's just so many options. Let's pop that back. So let's have a quick look at the die set. I'll be showing you exactly what you need to be cutting out. There we go. So you need to be cutting out 2 of these, 1 each of those, so just run those through, and 2 of these, and that is your main set done. Now in the die set, like I said before, you get all of these accessories as well, so you can finish off your die set however you wish. Okay, so I have everything cut out already, so let me get everything set up and then we can assemble. Okay, so I have my 2 flaps here. I have my 2 parts of the outside cover, and then this is the inner box here. So I've folded everything over already, so it does everything for you, and I am using Hunky Dory Adorable Scoreable in matte, and the papers are from my new collection as well. They're the British summer papers, and there's a really good mix there of florals, as in this is more of like the 70s 80s style, and then we have the more modern, what's really popular at the moment, this lovely floral print as well, and we have the stripes too, and you even get this little gingham as well. So this is a little hint towards Simply Made Crafts logo, well, not logo, but the branding packaging. Okay, so let's get all of these scored. Okay, so now we're ready to pop these together. So we're going to be doing the base first. So let's grab the glue. Again, you can use red tape for this if you have some that's thin enough. Okay, so you should have a base that now looks like that. So let's move over to the wrap. So I've die cut 2 of these. I've added my tape across the top because we're going to be getting rid of this section there, just that small tab. So let's cut that off. Otherwise we would have had to have popped in extra dies, but that's just a really simple cut. Okay, so what we're going to do now is glue these together by layering the thinner rectangles. So we have the fatter ones and the thinner ones there. We're going to layer those together. Now what I'm doing is I'm coming away from the score line just round about 1 millimetre or 2. So this definitely can fold upwards, but there is a bit of extra space just to help create a good clearance for that to slide in and out. And let's take this off now. There we go. Now there is our outer wrap almost done. We just need to add our flaps now. So these are mirrored, so they're going to go on that way. There we go, got there in the end. Now I'm adding the glue there to the outside of that flap, because that's going to go right on the inside there. Now if you want to, you can pop these flaps on the back, but I like to keep the functionality, just due to the nature of the layered papers like that. This can get caught on the way out, so I'm going to leave this at the back there just for the clearance. It's just the nature of papers and flaps and things. So just to get around that, I'm only going to add the flaps to the front. And if you want to, and I'll show you an example, you can actually pop these on the box itself instead. Okay, so I've used the papers for this one from the Grand Day Out. They're 12 by 12 papers, so they're so pretty, they go so together with this one as well. Okay, so I have actually popped this one on the front there, but this will probably look good better with a white base box, and then these seams will become invisible. Pop that there. Okay, so let's pop all the lids back on my glues. Okay, so let's put this inside here. So I'm going to go through this end here. So just pinch it together and then feed it in. There we go, there is our tent. So in order to make a little bit of a scene, you can add a little base, you can pop this on a gift box. I have just a ready-made gift box here. It's just one of those craft boxes, or you can make one yourself. You can pop your tent on there, and then you can add extra goodies inside there, or your s'mores or anything like that. Then you can add your guy ropes with your glue gun, and you can also add all of your finishing accessories as well. And this will also go with the matching stamp set, the Camping Fun and Sentiments stamp set as well. Not too sure if that's going to be in focus, but everything here will be listed down below. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a wonderful little tent. I absolutely love this tent. I love camping. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time.